What if travel didn't feel like leaving home at all? What if one compact motorhome could offer the peace of a private suite, the practicality of a family car, and the freedom of a full-time off-grid lifestyle? Imagine driving a vehicle so smart, so refined, and so thoughtfully engineered that every journey feels effortless, calming, and beautifully organized. Today on Drive Rain, we go deeper than ever before into one of the most intelligently designed compact motorhomes of the decade. The 2026 Hyundai Porest Camper, a perfectly balanced blend of comfort, modern tech, hybrid efficiency, and minimalist beauty. The Porest has never been about size or brute strength. It's about smart engineering and everyday usability. And the 2026 redesign elevates that vision into something truly special. From the first glance, the new Porest looks clean, sculpted, and wonderfully inviting. Hyundai's 2026 design language follows calm aerodynamic lines, subtle edges, and a soft, futuristic silhouette that feels more urban-friendly than typical RVs. Thin LED daytime lights wrap around the front, forming a signature halo glow. A redesigned grille with airflow channels improves cooling and fuel economy. The body uses Hyundai's new lightweight composite panels that are resistant to UV, heat, and road vibration. Every curve has a purpose, every panel reduces drag, every feature whispers comfort rather than shouting aggression. Move along the side profile and you notice how balanced the proportions are. Not tall and boxy like traditional campers, but low, stable, and sleek. The larger side windows flood the interior with natural light. Roof-mounted solar arrays merge into the roofline instead of sitting awkwardly on top. Storage compartments are concealed like luxury yachts. Even the rear design uses a wraparound light blade that gives the Porest a premium automotive identity, rather than an industrial RV look. This is not a camper pretending to be a truck. This is a camper designed with the elegance of a modern home. And speaking of home step, inside the 2026 Porest, and everything changes. Hyundai has created one of the most impressive small living interiors on wheels. As you enter, you're greeted by a living space engineered with the kind of symmetry and warmth you'd expect from Scandinavian apartments and compact luxury studios. Smooth textures, soft touch panels, warm ambient lighting, and smart space geometry bring serenity into every corner. The cockpit feels like a next-generation family SUV. A dual-display digital dashboard stretches across the driver's view. A panoramic touchscreen controls navigation, climate, entertainment, and smart home systems. The new steering interface feels smooth and intuitive. Seat cushions use Hyundai's pressure relief foam to reduce fatigue on long drives. Noise insulation has been upgraded, turning the cabin into a peaceful sanctuary even at highway speeds. Behind the cockpit, the Porest's living area is a masterclass in clever engineering. The lounge uses a multi-shift seating arrangement that converts from a dining booth to a movie viewing space to a nighttime lounge. Hyundai's fold-down bed system disappears seamlessly into the ceiling during the day and lowers with soft electric motion at night. The mattress is memory foam. Ventilation ducts surround the sleeping pod, and ambient LED strips create a relaxing night mode. The kitchen is compact, but incredibly efficient. You'll find a dual-burner stove, a smart refrigerator with energy optimization, a microwave, a deep stainless sink with water purification, and modular shelves that fold away silently. Soft, close cabinets prevent rattling during travel. Every appliance is chosen to minimize battery load while maximizing convenience. And everything is arranged to feel intuitive, even if you've never used a camper kitchen before. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for its class. It features a fully molded waterproof interior, a high-pressure shower, hot water on demand, storage pockets built into the wall, and an odor control ventilation system. Hyundai's engineers optimize the rainfall angle, floor drainage, and water-saving system to make daily showers comfortable without wasting resources. But the Porest isn't just about comfort, it's about freedom. The 2026 model introduces Hyundai's new hybrid smart drive powertrain. This system combines a fuel-efficient engine with an electric boost motor that provides instant torque on hills, during overtakes, and on mountain roads. For long-distance travel, the hybrid mode enhances mileage significantly, making the Porest one of the most economical campers in its class. Smooth acceleration, quiet operation, reduced vibration, it all adds to a calm driving experience. Handling is another strong point. With improved suspension geometry, anti-roll control, and new stability management software, the Porest drives more like a comfortable crossover than an RV. Turning radius is tight, braking is predictable, and visibility is excellent thanks to the 360-degree camera system and high-mounted driving position. Whether navigating tight campsites, narrow mountain roads, or busy city streets, the Porest remains confident and easy to control. Tech innovation is where Hyundai shines brightest. The Porest integrates a full digital ecosystem that supports both driving and living. You get satellite internet connectivity, cloud-based navigation, real-time weather intelligence, terrain-aware routing, and energy usage monitoring. The living space includes solar roof integration, dual lithium battery banks, a smart inverter system, touch panel lighting control, adaptive climate settings, and a mobile app to manage everything remotely. You can pre-cool the cabin, adjust the lights, check battery levels, or monitor water tanks even when you're away from the camper. Hyundai also includes emergency connectivity features, an important addition for travelers exploring remote areas. You get auto SOS alerts, location beacon transmission, and hazard detection systems integrated into the vehicle's sensors. Safety is another major strength of the Porest. Hyundai equips it with lane-keeping systems, collision warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, downhill assist, and a reinforced safety cage. The living area uses fire-resistant materials, secure cabinet locks, and a safety-first gas and water control system. Even during rough weather or uneven terrain, the camper remains stable and reassuring. Ownership costs remain low thanks to Hyundai's efficiency-focused engineering. Fuel consumption is lower than traditional motorhomes. Maintenance is simpler due to the hybrid drivetrain's reliability. Replacement parts are widely accessible, and Hyundai's build quality ensures long-term durability, making the Porest an excellent investment for travelers. But beyond all the engineering and innovation, the true charm of the Porest lies in its purpose. It's built for real people, families, couples, solo travelers, digital nomads, weekend adventurers, people who want to explore without stress, without massive size, without complicated systems. People who want their camper to feel natural, warm, calm, and beautifully simple. The 2026 Hyundai Porest Camper isn't a machine, it's a lifestyle. A peaceful retreat. A compact home that carries you to the world's most beautiful places without overwhelming you. It brings balance to the chaos of travel and comfort to life on the road. Thanks for watching Drive Rain. If you enjoyed this deep, extended look at the 2026 Hyundai Porest Camper, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next breakdown of the world's most exciting campers, motorhomes, and expedition vehicles.